You asked me about Temple, what was special. Another trip they took us on was to live in the home of black coal miners in West Virginia. We actually, me and my a white Italian guy, were guests in the home they gave everybody an assignment. And that was an interesting experience. I remember the first night we were there, they sat us down for dinner, and then they wouldn't sit with us. They just wanted to serve us. And we said, we're not going to eat till you sit down with us. Because they were so used to taking a position, not to be in any way equal to. And I remember speaking in the black church. We were invited to their church service, and we talked about what it was like. And they talked about what it was like to have us in the house. And I remember the father, who had black lung disease from the coal mines, saying, we didn't know how it would be with these white boys coming in our house and so forth. But after dinner, when they unloosened their belt of their pants and sat back, I knew everything was going to be all right. So, and that made a big hit. So